Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to some more new video. We are cruising down the 405, making our way down to the west side of Los Angeles, trying to make our way to work safely and surely, looking out for those carpool lane jumpers and the handheld cell phone users. And there we go, just like that, you call him out, and there he goes. No indicator. I'm gonna bet even that there's only one person in the car. What are you doing? No. Use your head. Got you on footage. Great clip. Thank you, sir. And your brand new Ford. Paper plates still. And you still haven't learned how to drive. So, I'm Sab Crazy. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.